Every second your inbox makes a decision. Spam or not spam. No rules. Just probability. This is naive Bayes. Imagine two groups of events. Patients who have a disease. Patients who test positive. The overlap is what we want disease given positive test. Divide the overlap by everything that tested positive. That fraction is Bayes' theorem. Prior times likelihood divided by evidence. The problem computing the joint probability of all features together is exponentially expensive. The naive assumption, each feature is independent of every other given the class. Watch the complexity collapse. Start with your prior. 60% of all emails are spam. That is your opening bet. Now watch what evidence does. Each word lands. Each one shifts the balance. Free spam surges. Meeting ham recovers. Win, prize, click the verdict forms itself. For continuous values temperature, frequency, pixel intensity, naive Bayes fits a bell curve to each class during training. At prediction, a query drops in. Each curve gives its density at that point. The taller reading wins. Watch it classify in real time. The needle starts at the prior. Free swings hard towards spam. Entry barely moves. Win another surge. After every word the case is clearer. The classifier never doubts. It just multiplies. One unseen word. Probability 0. 0 times anything is 0. The whole chain collapses. Add 1 to every count. Every word now has a non-zero probability. The chain holds. Training is a single pass through the data. Points arrive. They get sorted by class. For each class, compute the mean and variance. For each word, count the occurrences. Store the numbers. Close the book. No gradient descent. No iterations. Done. The independence assumption fails with correlated features. Word order. Phrase meaning. When features or springs one pulls the other. Naive Bayes cuts the spring. It still works. Just not perfectly. Prior belief. Updated by evidence. Features treated independently. One pass to train. One formula to classify. Naive about the world. Surprisingly, right about the data. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe.